Buddy and I are having a competition. Do you want to help out?
We're going rafting down the river to find bugs for Dawn's collection.
And whoever finds the most bugs wins!
Click or tap the top button if you want to play by yourself.
Click or tap the bottom button if you're playing with a friend. Alrighty then, we're in the river. Before we start, do you remember how to paddle? Your raft has 2 paddles, one on each side. Use the left arrow key and the right arrow key on the keyboard to control your paddles. Press one key to paddle on one side and make the raft turn. Press both keys at the same time to go forward. Try paddling around here in the calm water until you've got it. When you are ready, collect all the butterflies to start the race, or press the play button. When the race starts, collect as many insects as you can. Whoever gets the most by the time we reach the end of the river wins. Ready, set, go! A stream becomes a river through a process called erosion. Did you know insects don't breathe through their mouths? Instead, they breathe through openings on their body called spiracles. A river like this starts as a tiny stream made of rainwater. Rapids. Whoa! A whirlpool! Insects don't have bones like you and me. Some, like beetles, have hard outer coverings called exoskeletons.
Great job! You found the most insects. How about a rematch? Click or tap here if you want to play again, or click or tap here to try a different game.